Here's a video of this Hampton Mandel fan. Check out my other channel, BGPZ7245. It's going to be in the description, so. I can't sneeze. There we go. Well, okay, so check out my other channel. We're going to start this up on high speed. It's a nice fan. It's a Hampton Mandel. I'm sneezing really bad right now. Look at these little rascals. Here's high speed, here's medium. Yes, the capacitor is bad on high speed, so medium is just a little bit faster. If medium's high, then I think this fan is a 2008 model. It's a fast one, I'll tell you that. I'll turn it off. No, that's on low speed, I'm sorry. I've been collecting fans for a while. I would appreciate it if you would check out my other channel, BGPZ7245. What you see here? I'll give you a top image. It's a good fan, I like it. I think the blades are droopy. I mean, I just tightened them and it looks like they're already getting lower than they were. I'm kind of angry now. But yeah, it's a nice fan. I like it. Okay, I'll turn it off now. I'll put it in reverse, actually. Reverse. Here. High speed in reverse. I wonder if it wobbles, but high speed in reverse. Yeah, it always wobbles more in reverse. Yep, here's medium. And there is this restaurant that my grandparents got their membership back at, Fox Den. I remember this one fan on the top that was very wobbly, and I wonder if it fell down yet. Probably did, but it was crazy wobbly. I haven't been there in a long time, like 3 years, but I'm going back next week, so expect videos from there. So yeah, as you can see, it is a wobbler. Here, turn it on low now. This fan is a lot slower on the other direction, but I'll switch it back. Here. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.